Nehe asofo mu kwahia ye ekoka se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ekremuni nehe sofo ne mamienu plain
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ena no plane a ekokrahye ewo temai Ghana fu bi den sama betu dwomo ekre se eye sofo bi limba anase ne hu nkrofo no mokonya sa accident no na omo ekre se sa sofo no eka sofofo a omo groupi etia eye Dr. Bawumia. So you're Muslim, so Christian for a moment to about emfa emomo. Now abranti we the ensem ni betu no. Personally, I think say uwa semi denke by yes and comedy politics because a very sensitive issue and say and could be the politics but I think say abranti no ekasa because eya kamia kwa say NPP party no esa nyama pa omo ba omo yede ma oman Ghana omo bu ahiafo njankafo na mobrofo ntino se uyo obi na woka asem ditia party ne mu nipa I think se unya nsunsanso ye be sha his excellency the former president na Adon Akufo-Addo and the vice president Dr. Bawumia baye omo the policies a ebo Ghana for e buy na major policy omo de baye ebo ahiafo na njankafo bible say ni ohwe ahiafo na njankafo no nyame na nuku ne ho enti saa ahiafo na njankafo ya NPP fo be hwe omo a anke sese nko omo sanso to aso na mofra no sanso hwe omo bi ono asofo emu teachers emu headmasters obiara sorry tia free SHS na nanado omo sorry tia omo ena Ghana fo pame NPP no omo kotene fie NDC baye me ye sure say enim guase na omo di group NPP na ho enim guase na e ka omo no na abranti HS sofu ya nimba na se no nipa konya accident o kan sofu omo group etia Dr. Bawumia enti se nkrofo de LPP aban na say his excellency John Dramani Mahama the vice president the policy we by ebebo ahiafo na njankafo na wo sofu wa sorry etia dia and one thing nyame asemase enti sa na all part say we any association yakopon de ama no ye be kaya nkrofo bebre twetwe ntro to na nado no so a ine yakase omu ehu omu gina bia obi se na nado ekwadwunso gu kramo fa so da ho hwede eto no obi twentro to na nado no so no kun rere nere kwakwo owi ne ba wi NDC fo ye be wi refi ni din kakra enti enye easy NPP party ne de wo abegro obo wen yenti nzema abranti e de etuya
adi nyankopon se erade so obo ni pase ni so e de you President Mahama so okoto oko to chese to na okono krobi obedru su bia e wo hene sole no wakasa awose na Mr. President ye pache o abandada no na oye osi hospital we amaye omo nwi beto asomaye abandada no market wo de nsa kan omo nwi beto asomaye abandada no na osi school he nyankopon kra ye te wasese ni na oti nyankopon ase ya enye yi na nkasa ahemfo mpanifo we mu on wa bia wa no betra wo mo said bi mami bi kan say Akufo-Addo here ukobi wa no kra de yakwachiwo o mai na unifo a chese o de o sole na o re ho a fa phone ne ko TikTok keke obesri obemen chese entro NDC ko twa tra mene the president kura ko gina ho no maka se oba eye teacher licensure exams no obesfa chef wo no majority leader in parliament is a president in kind but you catch NPP for minority leaders am wo parliament wo no mo kwa momfa eyinko dege boss nko enti so mo eje achinye saa na waso dege boss no na wako wo de bluetooth na chese watwe wo social media na wabo amoma ye dey eti na mu yese ya e dey play entity to o man wi mu yese ya be dey accident akese nsisi wo man wi ene hwe asofo mu twahia ye ekoka se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ekremuni ene hwe sofo ne mamienu plane crash mo yonko sofo o de nam kwa mu ba no kra de agise mo beka mo num asem ko de onyame ahira no no otamfo ntimi nse no
we ya nhwehwe ani mu beje wo man ta wani ase a why wo man mu basabasa se nti eye ma wo Why today why your man Ghana mu why you move basa yi tie ma wo. Ubra jo mahama. Iti di o man why you mu tie ma wo pa. Kede why your man mu. Why your man mu basa menya basa sa. Ana ya de self water. Wakwa kureti mi abetena ase abetoto ne ma kama na brante wo ba ya your man mu basa. Ese president kura ni Ghana. You are there why you tie ma wo. Ah, why are the self worth too much? Obeji o meya ta wani ase ye musaka tu basa. Bibie enkoye. Ebere wafu osu, kokurafu osu, nkwade esu, mranti esu, maba we esu. Ade na we ade self force. Ya we dia na abenya firi mu. We dia na abenya firi mu. Eya anya sa o, ni enyina ye nwia na ho. We ayi o ma musaka tu, we emfaso obe na abenya. Oh, mama.
Now, he had already done a constitutional review committee. Becca Vemewo no kahua, and I know your lawyers nibi. I know more ye at the end. Guess what happened? 76% of what the constitutional review committee brought, Mahama rejected all of them. I didn't say this. Becca Vemewo, you play that audio, you type that in, you find that audio on YouTube, you find it anywhere. This is NDC. This is NDC. Yeni atra nenye nokre. Ena pontreni ewu. Ema ya starti hunu ne tentene. Enu nti wankasa wo manifesto a wo de beji itumi na you read it ra wo se debi. Che. The reason why I would always have a problem with NDC party in NSA, they carry political sentiment too far to the point, say or they say or mine that and as or they say or mine cry or mine. I didn't in America, sir. Canada na me wo. Maybe Canada na me wo 14 years. I feel we September 6th. Na me di 26 years old Kromo. Tini pa. But that I could do again. Na me di 26. 26 years pretty much in this country. And Osha Neama Kromo hafo. Eyusu. Osha Neama Kromo hafo. Edi develop sebium prediasa. Womukrono. Emma ne kokain. Emma ne jine ye. Na eduru yen ye ho. Na ye de sa ade ni bi ba. Ye tumi nya yankasa Ghana fo ni bi. Ekundi tia sa ade ne se yempene ma sa ade we nya ho da. Eya na ye na wan. Ebi ni ambulance. Ebi ni free healthcare. Panadium enye ho kra na me pese me deko. Enye ho na me pese me cost 30 free kra. Kromo ha me we. On to me nye bibi a winning license. Sa wo ye baba, o ye baba. Na o pese utwetre wo kromo ha. Ese se wunya ho license say o ye certified baba. Ye the tin bia brel type bia brel wa obetumi aka de wo tin bia ho. Baba to say ye na you tumi draw haircut de nam krum ekotwitwa na we ya paso we bleed no. Kromo ha ansa na be sa no na chese waje license yanga say ukra sa cosmetology in terms of baba you have trained as a baba and no na ma certification ema wo baba no enuonyam ba ho nti wonya just baba keke debi we okrachi ni den baba oyuti na ohun se epobiasi ho a otumi tuufo se debi we no metwetra usually no we ba say net enye se oyitre keke adi agiska gu ni botom so obe teacher obeje license eno ne boa ebre bi meka joke bi wa ha se education minister bi director district director CB na okonkura se ba krase isa omo superintendent here or moko ye check school money at the. They just by the by. Now teacher ni baako echra de. Watro measure MEASUER. Yenim say measure. Watro TEA. Esese obo na enkoda ne pronounce. Teacher ni mapa ochre adeye e school mo. Ohu measure no se mi azure na enkoda ne so mi azure. Or say everybody mi azure na enkoda ne so age so mi azure. Teacher ni mapa. Or say everybody tia na enkoda ne so age so tia. T no edane tia. Men come and inquire, may come and equity saying. Education minister, director, no who say a cost no buy and say, debut. The outchank could only the and credit a measure, and I will see T. Obey a classroom and concancher and codanis when you're wrong. Or see you, Papa no general no say, I no fra bemuba, or see your master son of the say, me as you review a measure. We soon yet you a T. These were the teachers are Echre and Madie. I want us to see how serious this is. Teacher Nina Ochre Obadien. Sebium Prediasa, Wabon. Nadia ya woman say. Teacher ni or person ye professional. With a teaching profession as a real professional. Now, also say on person better license exams. Think about it. You are a teacher going to teach kids, and you don't want to be like, you don't want to write. You test your kids for exams, but you, the teacher, don't want to be examined. How does that even make sense? And NDC so say. You were teacher for baby was system no and shut down control license exams bia ebinu wie SS na na so we dia so ye kakra no moto no koto baby okose private school bia no di be wura mu entinye teacher bia no ko training college so you train teacher ebinu fa kwan bibiri so no mo de ba mu sadia edia ne ye de ba teacher fo ni na tro. They said the opposite way a doctor who could trust standard test. They said the opposite way a lawyer who could trust hard na emema when you're professional nimpo wu free Ghana mpo eba Canada ya mekanche we say who need certificate as a teacher. Yenya NDC ya MP Ghana ye. A teacher near assessor or no na or yet exams me bad say on person a license exams and until be jinaso edia tuaba edia tia bina or man license exams into na man be professional teacher because or ye licensed. And this in ya by papa NDC and ya banya a gene Ghana say percent ma Ghana call. Like in any good direction. No. Because look how many years the crowd maybe dig Ghana swat till date as we speak. There is nothing you can call their president's name and say, we. It benefits Ghana. They don't have it. Share the page. The page no yanko. Repost if you can. Let us see NDC for who they are, erudites. That is what I want Ghanaians to know. Mama ye who say NDC for ni bi papa bia one more by then one more day back kaya homa Ghana etu nippon and say Ghana etu nippon. There is nothing like that with them. No.